This compact President Thomas CB radio delivers reliable AM and FM performance across 40 channels, giving drivers clear communication in busy traffic corridors and remote areas alike. The built-in voice-operated transmit feature allows true hands-free operation, which is especially helpful for truckers who need to keep both hands on the wheel. A front-facing universal serial bus charging port lets you top off phones and navigation devices while the radio is running, reducing the need for extra adapters in the cab. The multicolor liquid crystal display is bright, easy to read, and customizable, so you can match your dash lighting and quickly check channel, signal strength, and status at a glance. Automatic squelch control, backed up by manual fine-tuning, does a solid job of cutting background hiss and engine noise so conversations stay intelligible even in noisy vehicles. Its dual voltage compatibility, rugged housing, and small footprint make it straightforward to mount in trucks, recreational vehicles, and off-road rigs without sacrificing cabin space.